Hello guys. Let's see. Welcome to a new video. The time is 10:54, 1 hour to lunch. Very important to save time there. Yes. So half the day has been done. Not much unloading today. I had one in the morning and one small one I didn't film, and now this one. I actually got time to charge the battery as well, so I uppered the quality for a better video. Yeah. But I think my editing program don't support 4K, so I'm gonna look into a new one. If you have any tips on a good editing program, please leave it in the comments. feels like it's smaller. They're like tilting this way. Maybe it's hard to see in the camera, but it's very clear for me here. Ja, men jag tar ett foto.
Då har vi en skiva, om vi pussar ihop där så blir det där fall.
Nice. Easy. Till I go. I was sick like 1 month ago. My throat and my nose was really bad. And this Saturday, 2 days ago, I woke up and I a sore throat, and the same with the nose. It was like a fountain. But it's only for a few hours in the morning. But I can hear my voice crackling a bit. But I don't feel sick. This morning was fine. It's just my throat. Maybe it's some kind of coronavirus or something. No, I don't think so. So yeah, my second unloading today. This is actually, I like when I have a lot to do, but sometimes it's actually really nice to just slow down a bit. I like to reorganize in the warehouse as well. If I see something we have not so much of, I change space, open up for more stuff. I have other priorities as well. For example, I am handling returned goods. And sometimes they come damaged, so that's something I do as well. So that corner over there, I'm saving up, so I have something to do when I'm not working outside here. Because I'm not here every week. Usually I am, but now we're gonna make new people who came here to work learn this area as well. So yeah, it's fun. Usually me or another person takes care of them out here. It's important for the summer vacation, so everyone can take vacation. So when I'm gone, we have someone else out here, and yeah, like it can be a big problem if only one person knows this area. So we want everyone to know how it is out here, or at least I want that. But yeah, I think this is my favorite area. But if I'm here for like 4 weeks, I want to do something else then. So if I want to go and do order picking with my friends down there, I usually tell them on the Monday morning when we start. Maybe we can switch up. And today was that day, but the person who was gonna go out here has a sore back, so he's gonna move little today, and maybe it will be better. So maybe tomorrow I will film when I'm order picking, if you want to see that. It's I'm not sure how I'm gonna film it, but I'll find a way. I will also look at making an introduction video, like an intro and an outro the coming days here after work, after working hours, or maybe on my, I will maybe edit something at home. Things I have. Sorry. So we have 4 5-ton trucks from Linde, and we have 3, I don't know the English word for them, but in Sweden we call it skyltstativ. And we have one other we have 2 4-ton of this kind that we use when we where did I put the forks? That we use when we empty containers we get. Yeah, and that I want to film a lot as well. It's pretty hectic. It's fun. It's really fun. I love emptying containers. It's also very dangerous because yeah, I'm gonna show you in a video. I have one video of it. I will link it in this description. And yeah, my English is not so good, and I can feel you all laughing at me, but I'm trying. Ja, jag ser. Har du koll på hur många det var? 6-7 styck.
Hur många är det på den här menar du?
Nej, men totalt. Ja. Ja, men vi skriver 8 skivor då. Yeah, but I think that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. It was a very calm. I didn't stress it out. Hope you liked it. Hope if you're still watching, don't forget to leave a like. If you're not subscribed, please do. If you like the video, of course. And yeah, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.